4-point lead for Buffalo, 11 seconds to play. Shotgun. Murray out of the pocket. 7 seconds. 6 seconds. Murray heaves it downfield. It is. Oh, it's caught. It is caught. DeAndre Hopkins. Miraculous. It's Murray magic. Four defenders in the area, and DeAndre Hopkins is the man who comes away with it.
He went over the top of Tre'Davious White. Jordan Poyer came in late. He's got Micah Hyde on his back and catches it and possesses it all the way through. Look at those hands. We keep hearing about those 6X gloves that he wears for his large hands. How about how large and strong those hands are? You remember before the snap, I worried about Kyler Murray moving around too much and taking up too much time. His movement created an opportunity, and he threw it to the end zone to give him a chance before the clock ran out.
Ridiculous. And the best part for Arizona, there's going to be so many more Murray moments.